This is how to learn faster utilizing the Feynman technique using AI. And in order to explain the Feynman technique, we're actually going to also use ChatGPT. Hi, can you explain the Feynman technique to me?
Absolutely. The Feynman Technique is a method for learning and understanding concepts deeply. Here's how it works. 1. Choose a concept. Pick the concept or topic you want to learn about. 2. Teach it to a child. Explain the concept in simple terms as if you were teaching it to a child or someone unfamiliar with the topic.
Okay, so I think ChatGPT did a great job explaining what the Feynman technique is in a concise way, but what I'm going to do is actually demonstrate what the Feynman technique is and how you can use it with AI. So for instance, I like doing this with advanced voice mode instead of regular voice mode, but you could do it with regular voice mode as well. But let's go ahead and explain the Feynman technique using the Feynman technique, basically. Okay, so I'm going to practice explaining the Feynman technique to you while using the Feynman technique. So number 1, in order to use the Feynman technique, you have to choose a concept or something that you're learning. Number 2, you got to teach it to a child. Speak with very simple language and make sure that they can understand everything. And 3, check and review yourself and see, was I able to explain that very well, like very easily to a child? And how well did I actually know the topic? Were there gaps in my knowledge? And then 4, that's when I go out to review and figure out and brush up what I didn't really know that well. And 5 is basically just repeat the process.
Great job explaining the Feynman technique. You broke down the steps clearly and simply. By teaching the technique, using the technique itself, you're reinforcing your understanding. Keep practicing and you'll get even better at it.
Were there any explanations that could have been better or more simple?
Your explanation was really good. Here are a couple of small suggestions to make it even simpler. 1. Choose a concept. Pick something you want to understand better. 2. Teach it simply. Explain it in very simple words like you're talking to a child. 3. Find gaps. Notice if there are parts you can't explain well. That means you need to learn more about them. 4. Review and
So you're basically just summarizing the points again, but for my performance specifically, was there anything I could have done better?
You did really well. One thing to keep in mind is to ensure each step is clear and distinct. For example, emphasize that the main goal is to identify gaps in understanding by trying to teach the concept. Also, be sure to highlight how important it is to simplify the explanation as much as possible. Overall, you did a fantastic job.
Okay, thank you. So that's basically how I use the Feynman technique to explain the Feynman technique. But of course, that's kind of pointless. The point of the Feynman technique is to basically explain things to other people, but you're not going to go around like trying to look for someone, for instance, the technique is to actually look for a child and explain it to them. You're not going to do that. I mean, you could, but it's kind of a waste of time. So in order to practice the Feynman technique with things that you want to learn faster, what you can do instead is use advanced voice mode and just explain it to them instead. And the great part about doing this is when you explain it to them, you're not explaining it to a child, so they're able to give you feedback in terms of oh, what did you do well, what didn't you do well, and what could you have explained better, what could you have put more emphasis on, and so on. And not only that, they can tell you when you're wrong. They can tell you when you're explaining something and you said something incorrectly. So that to me is a great way to actually use the Feynman technique with AI in order to learn anything conceptual faster. I've actually been using this technique in order to learn particle physics recently. I don't know why, I just have this huge interest in the fundamentals of how the world works, but I'll explain a bit more about that in the next video. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hopefully this technique can help you guys out there. Peace.